Hey guys, Brainbean here from the Brainbean Gaming channel, and I'm very excited to be bringing you guys a look at the new badass Corsair K65 LUX mechanical keyboard. If this video can get 500 likes in the first week, I will be giving one of these Corsair K65 LUX keyboards away to one of my subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for a chance at the giveaway. The all-new K65 LUX mechanical keyboard is part of a new line of mechanical keyboards from Corsair. Corsair also released the new K70 Rapid Fire, which uses the new Cherry MX speed switches. The K65 LUX is a new and improved version of its 10 keyless older brother, the K65. The K65 LUX offers individual key illumination with full 16.8 million color RGB lighting. There are 3 brightness settings as well as dedicated volume buttons and a Windows lock key, so you don't have to worry about accidentally pressing it during gaming sessions. The LEDs are housed inside Corsair's clear key switch bodies, which give them better durability and allow them to easily permeate the keycap as well as the underside of the board. The K65 features 100% anti-ghosting and full key rollover. As is becoming the standard with Corsair's gaming keyboards, the LUX comes with a detachable wrist rest, as well as 2 sets of textured keycaps. A set of WASD for first-person shooters, and a set of QWERDF for MOBAs. As an added touch, the textured keycaps also allow for LED lighting to illuminate the key. Another added bonus of the K65 is that its new keycaps also allow for full illumination of the secondary functions. The K65 has a brushed aluminum gunmetal backplate. The metal backplate gives this thing a top quality look and feel. However, the brushed aluminum attracts more oils and fingerprints than, say, the matte finish on the Razer Black Widow X. The K65 uses Cherry MX Red switches. While the Cherry MX Reds are a tried and true linear gaming switch, this may turn off some users who prefer a tactile feel from blues or browns. Here is a quick sound test of the Cherry MX Red. It's also interesting that Corsair did not put the new Cherry MX speed switches in this board, since the speed switches are just Cherry MX Reds with a 1.2mm travel distance opposed to Cherry MX Red's 2mm. The only explanation I can think of is that Corsair is saving the speed switch for their flagship keyboard, the K70. The K65 comes with a nice braided cable which is not removable like the previous K65 model. It's important to note that the USB connectors on the K65 are not gold-plated, and Corsair is still using a really giant plastic body for the USB connector that makes it hard to plug some connectors in next to it on some motherboards. However, looking at the back of the keyboard, you will find the K65 now comes with USB pass-through as well as a BIOS mode and polling rate selector. Corsair's Q software offers a variety of preset lighting options as well as the ability to create custom macros and lighting profiles. The font on the K65 is the same one as on the Strafe RGB. It looks like Corsair is switching to this font for all of their gaming keyboards, as it is also on the new K70 Rapid Fire. This is kind of a bummer for me personally, as I'm not much of a fan of the large lettering or textured spacebar. All gripes aside, the K65 LUX is a really nice keyboard for the money. I picked mine up for $129.99. Keep in mind that like the Corsair Strafe RGB with Cherry MX silent switches, the K65 LUX is a Best Buy exclusive. Corsair really hit it out of the park with their new lineup of gaming keyboards. You can tell that they're really listening to what consumers are saying. The K65 LUX has everything you could want in a 10 keyless gaming keyboard. Well, that's it for my review of the Corsair K65 LUX RGB mechanical keyboard. And remember guys, if I can get 500 likes in the first week of this video being up, I will be giving away one of these Corsair K65 LUX keyboards to one of my subscribers. So be sure to click that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, because I have plenty more content coming your way. You can also follow the channel on Twitter at BrainBeanGaming for real-time updates as to what's going on with the channel. Thanks again for watching guys, and I will see you next time.